Hello everyone, welcome back to Find Your Aroma. Today we're talking about peppermint. Peppermint is a fragrant, almost constantly growing herb. Peppermint can tolerate a variety of climates and it's found all over the world. Its stems are square and branched. The leaves are arranged in pairs and are usually soft with serrated edges. The leaves' color can be from dark green to grayish green. Peppermint typically can grow from 4 to 48 inches tall. The English name peppermint is derived from the Latin mentha pepperita. The vitality of peppermint is very strong, so the traces of peppermint can be seen all over the world and mostly grown best in a humid environment with shade and moist soil. Peppermint is said to be the most widely used fragrant herb for humans. Every toiletry, beauty products, sweets, and even food and beverages on the market contain or featured peppermint as an ingredient. In ancient time, peppermint was an economically valuable and widely used plant. For example, the Romans and the Greeks liked to wear the wreath made of peppermint during the festivals. The Native Americans knew how to use the leaves of peppermint to treat pneumonia. The ancient Egyptians used peppermint to pay for the land tax. Italians called peppermint the blessed virgin grass because of the multifunctionality. There are also ancient records that wiping the eyes with the leaves of peppermint will make the eyes cool for a while, and it could be very effective for eye disease. Therefore, it is also known as eye grass. Peppermint can speed up the blood circulation, which is very helpful to refresh the mind and boost energy. Many people will use tools such as a diffuser or a stone diffuser to diffuse incense when they are tired or confused. Usually just 1 to 2 drops of peppermint essential oil will do the trick. In addition to being refreshing, peppermint essential oil also has a calming effect, soothing all kinds of pain and itching. Symptoms such as headache, stomach pain, fever, and inflammation can usually be relieved with 1 to 2 drops of peppermint diluted by a light textured base oil, such as pure distilled coconut oil and used around the uncomfortable area. Another way that many people often use peppermint is to drop 1 drop of essential oil on their hands and rub them on their stomachs, then put their hands that have the rest of the oil in front of their noses and inhale slowly for 5 to 10 deep breaths when they get motion sickness or flatulence. Usually, the situation will be improved by doing it, so peppermint is one of the must-bring essential oils when traveling. Since peppermint is a very refreshing essential oil that can boost energy, it is not recommended to use peppermint oil during nighttime. Those who have sleep disorders should avoid using peppermint essential oil before going to bed to avoid more difficulties falling asleep. The aroma of peppermint is sweet and fragrant, bringing a refreshing and slightly numb feeling, just like a cool breeze blowing under the summer sun, which is comfortable and refreshing. There are also many people who find the cooling sensation of peppermint makes them wide awake. So when they smell peppermint, they think of a sober, calm sage. Do you have any special link or imagination about peppermint? Please feel free to share with us in the comments below. Peppermint story. Greek mythology explains a love tragedy related to peppermint. Legend has it that the name of peppermint comes from Greek mythology. It is said that Hades, the king of the underworld, was wandering on the ground one day after he kidnapped Persephone, the daughter of the goddess of harvest, and became his queen. He suddenly saw the beautiful elf Nymph and he fell deeply in love with her. But this relationship was noticed by his wife Persephone. Because of jealousy and wanting justice for the insult she had suffered, Persephone turned Nymph into a useless weed growing on the ground and being stampled on. But the result turned out to be a little different than what she expected. Hades changed the curse by adding a sweet, soothing scent. So, although menthe was turned into grass, she was still as sweet as she used to be, lovely and with a nice fragrance. Furthermore, it has been widely used and became the peppermint that we all know today. Okay, our introductions about peppermint today has come to an end. If you have any questions, opinions, or other stories or experiences related to peppermint, please leave a message below and share with us. If you like our video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification. We will regularly upload a video to share the basic knowledge and stories about modern aromatherapy, essential oils, and the aromatherapy insight cards with you. See you next time. Bye bye.